Hello everyone, good day to you, wherever you're watching from. My name is BOFAD February. It's nice having you around. Today is the 22nd of February, and we're here to review the strategy and the logics and the performance of the month of February 2025. Okay. This is part of the series that will help us to be able to project the future and also identify the performance of our expert advisors, our information that helps us to determine the direction of the market and how well they can be able to help us to make better decisions in buying or selling. So today is going to be a bit long series, but by the grace of God, we should be able to get a better understanding of a full system of the platform that we have been building over the years. Okay, so what we have been trying to do, by the way, I'm from BOFAD Investment, BOFAD FADINVEST, and our plan is to be able to build a robust system that will be able to predict, identify the direction of the market as quickly as possible, and also be able to take quick actions by taking trades, whether to buy or sell at the right time in order for us to be able to make profit. So we've been building a lot of series of logics, ideas, expert advisors to be able to identify, help us to be able to identify the movement of the market. We can call them as indicators, so that we can be able to take correct and accurate decisions. So today we want to review the performance of the month of February 2025 as we plan to enter into the month of March. So let me share my screen with you. Okay, so yeah. So this is the Word document that we've been able to use to take these pictures over time. So you can see here, we have this was taken on the February 12th for this market. Afterwards, again, we took a snapshot on February 15. You can see here, we took a snapshot on February 15. Again, we took another snapshot, the final one on this series. Okay, no, we took another one on February 19, and I think we still had one today. What was it yesterday? The final one, which is February 21. Yeah. So this is the last snapshot for this market, February 21. So you can see the movement of the period of the market over time. So the idea is how are we going to use this information to be able to take good decisions, okay, to be able to know the direction of the market. So as you can see, look at the first market here. I think the market is AUDJPY. Let me confirm very well here. So this market is AUDJPY, okay? So you can see the EA was installed on the 7th of February, and this is the performance as at the 12th of February. So you can see here at the 12th of February, we have a high price of 96.9, roughly 97, and the lowest price at 94.2. At this point, the market was going up. Okay, so let's see what happened in this market. Okay, so to be able to also have a better understanding of it, so let me open a new Microsoft sheet so that I'll be able to bring in the pictures, and then we'll be able to see what I'm trying to say with this logic. Okay, so just like I said, so look at here, we have AUDJPY, so I'm going to copy this for this product and paste it here. Okay, so this is AUDJPY review. Okay, so this is day 12. Okay, so the next one will be, let's look at the dates. So we're still talking of AUDJPY here. So I think the next one is day 17 or day 15. Yeah. So the next one is day 15. We are still going to copy this picture. Day 15. So you can see from day 12, day 12 was around this point. By day 15, the market has moved higher again. You can see at day 12, the market was here. But by day 15, it has moved up again. Okay. So let's look at the next day. So I think the next day is day 19. Let's confirm that. Yeah, so day 19. So again, we copy the picture here. So you can see right from the beginning, we have 3 days now, 3 periods, day 12, day 15, day 19. You can see that the lowest point of the 3 pictures never changed. So which means from this point, we could have easily been able to take a good decision for the market, for this market as a buy all the way up until it gets to the maximum. However, you can see that from this peak, it reached the maximum and never changed again. So from this peak, this is our selling point, our selling position, and then the market has been falling. So let's take the last picture. I think the last picture will be day 21. So we're going to take the last picture for this at day 21. Yes, perfect. So look at the picture for day 21. So you can see that the market reached the peak at this point, and the market never went above that. And instead, the market had been all the way a downward trend until today. So the last report was taken on the 21st of February. So now the market is back to square one indirectly, where we started from. Can you see that? So the idea of this logic is to take a bid once the market has crossed the first 4 lines. So to take a bid once the market has crossed the first 4 lines, and then if the market is trying to reverse back, we identify the extreme and then we check out. Okay, or we continue that same direction. Okay, so what do I mean by that? So for example, if you look at the first picture here that we have on day 12, the market came down here. So it exited these two long lines, you can see. So after exiting these two long lines, we are going to measure 4 lines, upwards or downwards. So 4 lines downwards means that we expect the market to come down. So if after the market has come out of these 2 long lines, then we lock up that position and then we say, okay, if the market comes downwards, then let's start selling downwards. Or if the market is going up, once it gets to 4 lines upwards, then we start buying. So in this instance, from this point, our 4 lines upward is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4. So our 4 lines upwards starts at the green line. Okay, because we already have the yellow, the orange, the red, and the green. So at this point, we only have the blue and the aqua color at the top. So from this green line, the plan of the market is to start buying upwards. So at this blue green line here, the price range is around 95. Okay, so which means all the way from this point until it got to the highest point, at this point, it will be a buy all through to this point. Now, after reaching this point, the market started declining. So once the market starts declining, in this instance, once it reaches the second color, we sell. And if it goes back to the peak, we buy back again. So like, for example, in this instance, you can see here the market did not, we are supposed to sell at this point and buy upwards again. Okay, so which means the market activated a sell here, but again, it activated a buy at the top. And when it went up to this peak again, at this point again, the market is going to activate a sell. Okay, and then if it goes up here again, it's going to activate a buy. So that is the logic of the market that we're going to implement. So in that instance, you can see that all the way after the market goes to its peak on the 12th of February, which is this point, the market never went higher again. And then we already have the straight line at the extreme. And then that was it until today, the 22nd of February. So all through from the beginning to the end, the market performance had been good. And then you can see all the way down, it's been a sell. So the market was a buy up to this point, and then from this point, the market began to be a sell, which we got to this point. So all through the month, we could easily identify the point to buy, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, this blue line upwards, and then the price to sell from this red line downwards until this point. Can you say that? So that is the purpose, what our EA will be letting us to know. So now to go straight to the EA and show you how the EA works. So let me show you now the real where I got the pictures of this diagram from. So we also have another logic also, which I'm going to share in my other video. Okay, so this is for okay, yeah. So you can see here. So just like I said, so you can see AUD card, for example, like the theory, we have these 2 lines at the beginning, okay? So the market went outside, which is this line. So at this point, when the market got here, the plan is to buy upwards, and then if the market is coming down, we are going to sell downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So when the market got to this point, it was still a buy from this point upwards, you can see. But at this point, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this red line, the market came down, we started selling here. to this point. When the market got here again, the market went back upwards. 1, 2. Oh, sorry, just a minute. Just a minute.